Okay, so here's the next weekend that Mom is away.
Yeah,
Again, the RC car, and we're gonna take it to the skate park.
Everybody snacks. Yeah, we brought snacks and a nice and secure on our chips. We drive an hour and 30 minutes to get here. Not walk. Oh, I remember this guy. Here we are, people.
No longer than a minute, okay?
35 plus.
Sorry.
Alright, so
It's taking a little longer to charge them, but
power. We can charge it in the truck. Boats. Yeah. Yeah. I believe boats. Yeah, our friend has one like that. Looks like that. The orange one. I'm pretty sure it's orange. 35 plus miles per hour.
charge them.
It's Dad's car. Corvette. Dad has a Corvette.
We're gonna, cause we got like a half-hour drive back. Talked about last week. Our plan for this weekend was to get an RC car, hook up a GoPro to it, and take it to the skate park. So that's what we got, a GoPro, mounted it with a whole bunch of zip ties.
This is 100.
Oh man, this GoPro's getting destroyed. Yep, that was a good crash.